Hello everyone, Maria here again with another Tech Tuesday video. Today we're going to be go over Law Depot. It's one of our legal law databases that we have, and one thing cool about it is that you can actually do some legal forms, start up some legal forms using this. So if you're looking to do some sort of binding document for borrowing money with somebody, or if you have a tenant, things like that, it gives you a starting place on where to start those forms. So as always, we start off at our library's website, mapld.org. I'm going to go to Research and Learning, A to Z list. And for this particular database, you will need your library card. So we're going to hit Law Depot. We're actually, when it's going to say, I'm already logged in here, but you're going to go ahead and start up an account. You're going to make a username and password, and it's going to ask you for your library card. So once you come back to this website, this page right here, you can actually just click in, log in, put in your username and password. You won't need your library card again at that point, and you can go right in and browse documents. So I'll go ahead and browse. Okay, so we can go ahead and we can start on any type of document here. I started a loan agreement just to make an example, but let's go back and I can actually just go ahead and do, let's do create a bill of sale. Okay, so if, for example, if you're going to sell something to somebody, say personal property, a trailer, a boat, we can actually just do something small. We can actually do an animal. Let's do an animal. So you're going to create document. As you can see, they actually have estate, real estate, finance, business, family, a lot of different types of categories here. You don't really have to know per se how you're doing these things, because it's going to give you different prompts. Like right now, we actually did a bill of sale. We're going to pick the state we live in. So we're going to hit Illinois. We're going to save and continue. So distinguishing marks, let's go with a beagle. And it has a black spot on its back. It's a puppy, and it's 6 months old. Sounds a lot like Snoopy. Okay, so now we can go ahead and hit save and continue. And let's say who's selling this. So let's just do Jane Doe. We could just do 1, 2, 3, 4 somewhere. And then you can add another seller if you do have another seller. So you got a second seller there. You hit save and continue. And then we can do the buyer. So let's do John Doe. He's at 1, 2, 3, 4 elsewhere. Hit save and continue. We're going to do a price. Puppies are usually pretty expensive, so let's do $5.50 is the price for that puppy. The sales tax being charged, I always want to remember if it's going to be something that you're selling. So if this was say a business, and you were in the business of selling puppies or comics or books or whatever you're doing, you can hit yes. And how was this going to be given to you? So if this was a cash transaction, for example, you definitely want to have some documented bank draft, the check, electronic funds, or other. Let's go with cash. Make it easy. Is there loan lien on the property? No, not on the puppy. Do you want to include any additional information? So for example, yes, it just would be like as is conditions. So if you're selling some sort of like bookshelf or furniture, things like that. With a dog, you can also say 30-day vet checkup guaranteed. A lot of times people do that. So let's do that. Save and continue. And then so when you have just when you sign this, let's just do unsure. Purchase signature required. Yes. Do you want any witnesses? No witnesses. Do you want to sign in front of a notary public? So notary publics could be either at banks, some currency exchange, and libraries also do this too. But double check and always call to see if this is a notary that you are allowed to use for this type of paperwork. Sometimes it's just a stamp for notary approval, and it's not in the form of like witnessing something. So a lot of times you would probably do this at a bank or a law office if you have a lawyer, things like that. So hit no, make it simple. loading. And this will be your bill of sale. So blank and blank. So it's going to be the person here, bill of sale, what they have, puppy, as you see, as in condition, liabilities, inspection, governing laws. So then we'll have this sale here, the person buying it, seller. I've added another clause right there, but it's super easy. You can print this, you can download this, you can make another editor, you can start a new one, you can change answers. So for example, if I mess something up, I can go ahead and change answers on it. Be like, oh no, I messed something up here and I want to change. Let's go ahead. So I already did that. We'll save, continue. So we can go ahead and start up a new one. Let me go back. So let's go with editor. And this is where you can go in and you can actually add things accordingly. But that's about it. Very simple, easy to use. Like always, we're going to go to mapld.org, our library's website, research and learning, A to Z list. Get your library card. Remember, once you log in and you have your password, that's all you need. And you don't have to have your library card the second time around. Hit Law Depot. And then once you're logged in here, hit Browse Documents. And you'll be all set. You could actually save the documents to your computer. And then as you can see here, I started doing the loan agreement before I started recording. So my recently worked on papers are here, and then the bill of sale that I just did with the puppy. So it will keep track of everything you start on, even if you just start like the first page and you just don't know what you're gonna do after that, it'll save just that draft. But yeah, that's about it, easy to use. So definitely take advantage using our Law Depot. It is there for you to utilize. If you have any questions, always feel free to give us a call or leave us an email at mtslib@mapld.org. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye.